Another mail call. This package comes in from NOAMi, N-O-A-M-I, on eBay. And NOAMi's been following the channel for a while, and I've been following him on eBay. He makes a bunch of parts for the Xi8088 that Sergey Kisilev put together, and he sent me these, and I think they are going to be slot covers, Keystones as they call them, for use on the different boards. Let's take a look and see what we got here. Alright, I got a couple of Keystones. I've got some foam to put in my collection of foam. That's awesome. And then I have some screws to screw them into the boards. Anything else in here? Nope, nothing else in there. Alright, let's get the foam all taken care of. Don't want to hurt that at all. One side, two sides, and then let's get this part here taken care of. Alright, clearly I don't have a big enough knife, so this would be for the Xi8088 board, and this would be for the compact flash adapter. Let me grab those real quick. Compact flash adapter and Xi8088 boards. Alright, let's get these screws out here. Oh, that's perfect. Yep, alright, let's get that screwed in. Yep, so I'm going to put the little tangs on the back side of the board from the front side, because I think that looks a little bit more appropriate. Screw one down loosely, get the other one in place. I'm going to screw that one down tightly, screw that one down tightly, and that's a very professional way to finish those off. And he's got a nice cutout around the CF card there, and I would have made a jagged mess of that. And so it's totally worth the price of getting these. What I will do is I will link a description. I will link a description in the description below. I will link to NOAMi's eBay store in the description down below where you can get yours. But that slides right in and out. It's no interference. It's not even touching it. It's perfect. All right, let's go do the next one. The next one is the Xi8088 board. And I've got two of these here because I built two of them because I thought it was just that much fun that I wanted to do two. And we'll do the same thing. That lines up perfectly again. Okay, this is the one that, yeah, this is the one that I built from my kit. Let's see if it fits better on the other one. Looks like the LEDs are a little bigger, maybe? Nope, hang on. I need another set of hands for this. This is a 3-prong parts retriever, and if you squeeze down on the top, it extends these little fingers that hold your screws, and I use these a lot to get into tight spaces, and this is a pretty tight space. And the problem is that the LED light pack sticks out a little farther than the edge of the board. I would not blame that on the Keystone. That might just be some manufacturing tolerances, and if anything, you can melt the solder on this and move it back in a little bit. Let's get this one here on over here. I put the one flange on top and the other flange underneath, and that didn't line up very well for some odd reason. Alright, there we go. Both of them are now taken care of, and the compact flash card is taken care of. Excellent. Yeah, that's very tight on there. And the reset switch on this one here is a little recessed, and this one here is a little pronounced. So it's really just down to different parts that you get when you order from the parts supplier. And I think that you can wiggle some of the tolerances out by melting some of the solder there and moving it a little bit around if you wanted to. It was a little fiddly, but it got installed. So again, there will be a link in the description down below, and there will also be some links to some other videos over here that YouTube thinks that you would like, and also I think that you would like. This is a brand new channel. I would appreciate it if you click the subscribe button. And in the meantime, thanks for being awesome. We'll see you in the next one.